right, we have a problem. Now, it would not come on by itself. Look at the clutch. I have it jumped. I have the wire jump straight to the single wire that goes right to the compressor. Now I get spark here. See the spark? Okay. Now take a look at the clutch. Let's see if I can zoom in there. I won't even go now. But what I found was a loose ground. Look at this. So that is a completion of your coil for your clutch. Yeah, it won't even go down. Before the clutch was pulling in just a little bit, but it looks like this was a remanufactured, and they had it all assembled, and they did not tighten down the ground. And it looks like they put the ground, they spray painted silver to make the aluminum housing look good. So they even have a ground on top of paint, and it's on a rusted, old looking, corroded eyelet. So they don't even clean their stuff before they put it together. And unfortunately that came from Ranshoe. All right. So I'll tighten that down and see what I can do. And once we have ground, theoretically, when I apply power, the clutch should engage.